Welcome back, everyone. Last week we didn't pull much, but this week we're going to try hard. We're going to go again. I got some more chilling rain, some more shining fates. This time we're not messing around. We're going to go for those birds. We're going to go for that Charizard. We're going to go for anything shiny and cool, because that's what everyone wants: shiny and cool. So I reckon we just jump straight into it. See how we go. I reckon we just go straight away with the Shining Fates. Shining Fates, it's a bit of a morale booster. It gives me a bit of a boost because I know that there's some better cards in here. Better than Chilling Rain. Chilling Rain's kind of a disappointment at this stage, but what can you do? There's not much I can do. I just have to keep opening them and keep showing everyone. See how we go. So, energy. Rusted Sword, Rotom, Dartrix, Yanma, Glossiflora, Eevee, Morpeko, Yanma, Tawaki, and a Zarude. And I could have picked that. Could have picked what was going to be a Zarude. Always it was a Zarude. Always it was a Zarude. Snoom. What's the next card? Is this Snoom? Rusted Sword, Cramorant, Tropius, Snob, Yanma, Glossiflora, Eevee, Morpeko, Galarian, Darmanitan, Shiny. It's not bad. I like that. What do we got next? And a Cinderace V. It's a better start than last week. And better start than the week before that too. Because that was pretty bad. But these things happen. I'm learning as I'm going and having fun. A lot of fun. So that's all that really matters. Alright. Keep getting the codes on. Wrong way. There we go. Rotom, Rusted Shield, Tropius, Dinarak, Morpeko, Garuki, Horsey, Coughing, and a Galarian Corsola. I haven't got that before either. And a Luxray. It was pretty cool. Nice and shiny. We're chasing that shiny cardboard after all. Alrighty. Floodsaw, Tawaki, Gym Trainer, Buizel, Font, Cacnea, Glossifleur, Nickit, Cramorant, Lapras V Shiny. That's not bad. I haven't had that before. And Professor's Research. So yeah. There you go. That's pretty cool. I do like shiny stuff. I think I might say something about my childish nature, I guess, just that I love shiny cardboard. But if you can't enjoy shiny cardboard every now and then, what can you enjoy? Not much. Not much these days. We've got 2 packs of shiny fates left. So we'll get into it. Here's this. You can have that. You can have this. You can have that. Alright. Thinking about getting a few of my cards graded. Never really, thought about getting stuff graded before, but I've got a couple of cards that I, might be worth it. The Moltres, even though it's off center, and most of them are off center, but that one might be alright. A big fan of Golduck, so I ordered a Dark Golduck online. Just a random card just to see. I might get that graded too. Thievul. You know, Golduck's my favourite Pokemon, so why not get it graded, sit it in the background here so that you can all see it. Nothing special, but last Shining Fates. Last chance to get this Charizard. That's all I got. This is all the Shining Fates that I have left. But I do have that Celebrations coming, which will be cool to open. A relatively small set from what I can tell, so you know, hopefully the pulls are decently alright. Shinx, Coughing, Weasel, Trapinch, Rowlet, Reshiram, Amazing Rare. That's cool. And a Celebi. Reshiram, Amazing Rare. Cool. Oh, I'm out of cells. We'll get some more. So far, so good. Shining Fates has been good to us. I just wonder what the rest of this, what the rest of these Chilling Rain are going to be like for us. God knows. And he does know. I think. I don't really know. Alrighty. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you hit a thumbs up. And if you want to leave a comment, do that too, because I'll be sure to read all of them, because I've got lots of time on my hands, lots of times. Haunter, Clara, Celio, Swirlix, Porygon, Ladybug, Ghastly, Rockruff, Porygon, and the Shadow Rider Calyrex V. That is cool too. And it's decently centered, except for the back, that's horrific. Anyway, you know, still a beautiful card. Maybe our luck's turning on the Chilling Fates. Maybe. Maybe our luck's turning. Code card, if you like the code cards. You know, playing the online TCGO is really fun. Really good way to learn how to play too. I didn't know how to play. I just jumped on there and followed the tutorials, and you know, I'm sure I was, you know, not playing people that are very good at the game, but you know, I got a few wins, a few losses, more than a few losses, but a few wins too. Delibird, Dealing, Aaron, Gengar, and it's a Serena, TSA Rena, I'm going to call her. TSA Rena. The Cody. Let's get into the Cody. Alrighty. Killer G. I'm going to make sure I'm in focus all the time. Peony. Spiritual Energy. Dynatree, Aaron. Blitzel. Lapras. Boonsweet. Venipede. Flannery, and a Shadow Rider Calyrex V in the alternate art, but it is very, very off center. Very off center. It's upsetting. It's upsetting to see how off center that is. But what can you do? It is still a very pretty card. Damn. Damn. Oh well. We'll just keep on trucking. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get one that's like really in center and really, really rare. You know? It can happen. It happened to me in the first 3 packs. I got given 3 packs for my birthday a few months ago, and I opened them and I got that Moltres out of 3 packs. So I mean, anything can happen. Haunter, Clara, Fluffy, Coughing, Ghastly, Blitzel, Snowball, Sneasel, and a Galarian Slowking. The Galarian Slowking alternate would be pretty cool to have. Cloud gun. When it wants to focus. Not very focusy. There we go. I've been seeing people get a few of these error packs from Chilling Reign where there's just like reverse holo after reverse after reverse holo, which is, I mean, pretty cool. Cast form, fur fruit, and wheezing. Yeah, weird. I get a whole pack full of reverse holos, which is cool if you're trying to fill up your binder or whatever with reverse holos as well as the regular cards. Very helpful. Energy, Impact Energy, Old Cemetery, Ledian, Clobbopus, Golett, Ladybar, Cast Form, Sunny Form. Can we get the third one? Nope. Diglett and a Zangoose. Oh. Juggling these cards. Alrighty. Energy, Path to the Peak, Kakuna, Caitlin, Aaron. You're done now, Aaron. Hatena, Cast Form, Sunny, Snowy, Clobbopus, Golett, Volcarona, and Metagross VMAX. That's cool too. I like when they put purple in like the blues and stuff in cards. It is cool. It's the same sort of color as the. It's a much better opening than last week. Last week we just pulled hot trash all the time. Now we got 3 packs. 3 packs to go. Is that code card? Golett, Ladybar, Cast Form, Sunny. Can we get the Cast Form Rainy? No. Yamask. What the hell? Did I do that right? Did I forget that? I did. I forgot to do the thing. That was really confusing. Blaziken V. That's very cool. I forgot to do the card trick. That was very confusing. Two packs left. 2 packs. Only 2 packs. Cool card. I definitely did the code card, the card trick that time. Alrighty. Energy, Echoing Horn, Thwackey, Porygon 2, Inkay, Lavesta, Diglett, Furfrou, Boonsweet, Rugged Helmet, and a Lycanroc Holo. Alrighty. Last pack. I don't want to say last pack magic because it never works. But maybe we can just like maybe do like last pack a dance or something. Maybe we'll get some good luck with the last pack dance. I guess you just never know. Alright. Energy, Steny, Lairon, Hatterene, Sobble, Hatena, Cubfu, Ghastly, Castform Snowy, Flannery. Alrighty, last card. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below and let me know what's going on. Yeah, and just let me know what's going on your weekend. That'll be all good. Alrighty, last card. What are we going to get? A Malmar. Anyway, I'd like to say that the Malmar, kind of ruined everything, but he didn't. I had a good time. So let's go through what we got. Man, I actually cleaned up this time rather than last week. With that, Blaziken V, the Metagross VMAX, just cool as well. The Charizard Calyrex alternate art, very off center. It's kind of as if I was like to stand over here and do the whole video. That's what the card's like. Charizard Calyrex V, Reshiram, the Lapras V, Galarian Corsola, Cinderace V, and the Galarian Darmanitan shiny card as well. That was good. That was much better than last week, so it was, you know, it's a win in my books. So remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment, because I'm going to be doing this for, you know, as long as I can, for as long as I get packs. We've got the celebrations coming up, we've got the Roaring Skies coming up. I've got a few more, like probably another maybe box of Chilling Rain as well. So, you know, we might get into that next week, as well as, you know, some other stuff if I can find some stuff laying around. So we'll see how we go. Cheers.